Assalamu alaikum, my respected brother and sister. Alhamdulillah, those people who build up the masjid in this dunya, Allah is going to give them beautiful designed house in paradise. We bought a derelict site in heart of the city, in Limerick city of Ireland. We got the design, we applied for planning permission, we got approval, we demolished that place. Now we are going to build up a 4-story masjid on this place, and our coming cost is 1.5 million euro on 4-story masjid. So we added a masjid bank account. Masjid bank account name is Dawat Islami. IBAN and BIC number is there in this video. So our humble request to all of you, please do a some enlargement yourself, ask your friend, ask your family, ask your any contact, and to do some enlargement in this masjid bank account for the Yawm Akhira. Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallahu khairan kathiran kathir.